Work it. Oh, you're so cute. You're so cute. Okay, there we go. Hey guys, and today I think I'm going to take my dog out on a walk. I just gave you a bath, but I just had to take you on a walk. Haven't been in so long. So yeah, click that right button if you want to. Subscribe if you want to. And comment if you want to. Let's get into the video.
Go out there and see, and I'll throw it to you if you need it.
Okay. Let's go down. Not wearing any. As you can see, I'm wearing my dog pants. Yeah. Stuck inside the house, so I could go outside and take care of my puppy. Hold on, guys. I need to pause. Okay, come on. Lacey. Ow. Oh, ow. Sorry. Yeah.
I'm like, did Grace already leave or what?
Okay, come on, my little baby. Okay, come on. Come on. Friend told me I shouldn't make a leap of it, so I'm doing it. Come on. Come on, Khaleesi. Oh, my little baby. My baby. My baby just want to walk around. You want to go back inside? Are you sure? Come on. There we go. You haven't been outside in a while. Since yesterday, probably. This, at the time I'm making this, I'm gonna upload it like later. But it's about 9 in the morning. Woke up in my PJs. Oh baby, it's okay. You wanna come? You wanna come? Okay. There we go. I'm right-handed, so more likely comfortable. Right-handed. Which way do you want to go, sweetheart? Come on, Khaleesi. Now what? You lead the way. You lead the way. Yeah. Okay. Oh, I hear something back there. I could just... Holy cat! You get the joke? Holy cat. Holy cat. No? Yeah? You get the joke I just made? Holy cat? Hey. But we're going on a walk. It's basically them seeing my eyes. You got the smoking mother. The Molly... Wait, hold on. The smoking mother. The Molly cat of all Mollies. And we got the Khaleesi PC. Oh, sorry. That's just wrong. Yeah, so. Little Kissy PC. Why do you always put your leg up like that when you're not gonna use... Ain't she a girl?
Willow.
Yeah, she's a girl. Holy cat!
Willow. No. No.
It's a little bit scary kitty. Scaredy cat. She's a kitty cat. That's for sure. A scary kitty cat. She's scared.
Your dog is watching some deuces.
Well, I thought I was going on a walk, but it turns out...
Like, I am outside, so I'm going to shit my legs out. I put them underneath your sink in your bedroom.
Yeah, I accidentally cut my arm.
Did you come out?
No. Well, I'm gonna bring Khaleesi up first because
I think she's cold.
and then I'm gonna go on a walk. Can I? Okay. My little puppy wuppy. Okay. You happy? You happy? You're inside.
Can you do what?
You're a beautiful puppy. Yes, you are. Here, let mommy. Let me.
In the park?
Yay! Can we go right now?
Are you gonna go dressed like that?
Yes.
And we're not taking time for you.
No, I'm gonna change my shirt. This was a short video, but I am going to make another video later in the day. So we are going to the park, even though it's like there's still snow. I'm wearing flip-flops, my dog pants, and this shirt. And my mom's gonna do my hair because I'm sweating and I want to put up my hair, even though it's like short as heck. So if you like this video, leave a like.
Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe.
Like this video.
Make sure to
If
give
you
it a
want
thumbs
to,
up
Alex.
and subscribe.
If you like this video, if you want to,
And subscribe if you want to.
subscribe if you want to.
And follow Reheat
Follow Reheat
on Musically.
on Musically.
And Scarecat.
REHEAT. And
Happy sunshine.
comment if you want to.
Happy sunshine.
This is the last thing you'll ever see before I die. Well, I'll ever see before I die. Because of her, I'm dying. Oh, luckily my screen's kind of blurry. Okay, my mom's cleaning out a litter box or something, so goodbye. Bye.